Hi, I'm Doc. I hear you have Skipcount-itis. Don't worry. I'll teach you how to skip count by tens and you'll be feeling better soon. Goodness, look how many Daniel Tiger toys there are. Let's count how many are in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count 10 toys at a time. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 toys. The tens are easy because they use 1 through 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 groups of toys. Now all we need to do is add 0. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Do you see the 1 through 10? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. My favorite thing is helping toys, but I loved helping you too. Now we can count together. 10, 20, what's next? 1, 2, 3, 30, good job. 40, 50, what's next? 60, 70, 80, 90, what's the last number? 100. Wow, you did great! The doc is done. See ya! Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more fun.